What's going on, YouTube? I want to talk to you about the equalizer I had before. I had put the Power Acoustik, was the PW-16. I had put that up in here, and honestly, I have to say that I won't say I was disappointed, but it didn't sound good as the Rockville R7EQ. Cause it was a 4-band, but I believe it would sound good maybe if you had like one bass amp and one high amp, but I got like 2 high amps and 1 bass amp, and the 7-band EQ sound way better. It was just like way more separation in the sound, so I had to go back with my R7EQ. But I gave it a chance though. I mean, it sound good, but it just didn't get that separation and that boost like the 7-band EQ. So I had to go back with my my Rockville R7EQ. But I still believe that the Power Acoustik EQ would be a good EQ for somebody with maybe 1 bass amp, 1 high amp that's looking for a nice boost. They would work with that. But if you got multiple amps and multiple speakers, I would suggest doing the 7-band, the R7EQ by Rockville, because it sounded good. I mean, I didn't have no problem with it. I just wanted to try it because I heard a guy had it and it sounded good, and it wasn't too expensive, so I just wanted to try it. But I had to go back with the R7EQ, man, by Rockville. So if y'all just hold on a second, I'm gonna get this installed and show you how to hook it up and everything and final results. All right, YouTube, hold on. Okay, this is Rockville R7EQ. Yeah, basically different EQ, but the same hookup. They all basically the same. Okay. The sub out on the EQ, go back into the sub amp input on the amplifier. Okay, on the 4th channel, the rear and front output goes from the EQ to the input on the 4th channel amp, the amplifier. And then where it says CD and auxiliary, you're going to use the CD input, goes to the output on the radio. Make sure you use a rear or a front signal on the back of the radio output. Don't use the sub for the main input for the EQ. You want to use the front output or a rear output, doesn't matter. Okay, I did, regular ground, remote, 12 volt. Okay, get the focus in. Okay, you want to the ground, chassis ground, or the black wire off the radio harness. The remote wires, the blues, the amp turn on. You want to go to the blue or blue and white off the radio. And then your 12 volt, that's the constant 12 volt. You can go to the yellow off the harness off the radio, or you can find your own 12 volt at the fuse box. It doesn't matter. But it'd be easier to go to the harness off the radio. Okay. And that's basically about it. And you get hooked up and adjusted and everything, but I'll get back to you with that just a second. What's going on, YouTube? Got everything installed. Like I said, I had to switch back from the Power Acoustik EQ to the Rockville 7-band R7EQ, because the 7-band honestly sound better, because I got multiple amps. I got a 2-channel and I got a 4-channel. Then I got 2 bass amps. So I mean, it's much better to go with this. Now the the Power Acoustik, honestly, I think it sounds good, but with a less setup, like a 1 bass amp and maybe 1 2-channel or 1 4-channel. It would be decent on something like that, because it's only a 4-band. It got the mids adjustment, treble, and then the lows. That would be like a base up, something for like a basic setup. But I put the 7-band back in, and it brought it out way better, sound way more clear than the other one. The other one sounded clear, but it was just like missing some notes, just missing something, But then that 7-band gave it way more of a boost. So, I mean, I'm gonna keep the Power Acoustik. I'm not gonna sell it. Probably gonna do it in my work vehicle, and do a little project with that, like one bass amp, one high amp, something like that. Not too much, but yeah, just got the Rockville R7EQ. I highly recommend it because, like I said, it's a beautiful sound. No engine noise. I mean, everything sounds clear. Just got to play around with the adjustments, but I'm used to it, so I know where it's supposed to be at, how I want it to sound. But I ain't gonna hold you up too much longer, just showing you that I got everything installed and I switched it out. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or you don't understand something or you need help with something. Just feel free to leave me a comment, and I will gladly help you out to the best of my ability. But yeah, be safe out there and take care. Later.